In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete message on booking.com. Let's get straight to the point. There isn't a delete option for messages or chats on booking.com. The platform keeps the entire conversation history tied to each booking. That means anything you've sent, text, or attachments remains part of the booking record. There's no trash can icon, no unsend button, and no way to remove files once they've been shared. Now here's what you can realistically do instead. Sign in to your booking.com account, head to your messages or inbox, and open the conversation you're thinking about. Then simply leave it as is. You don't need to take any action. The message will stay right there in the thread, but you're not required to respond. And there's nothing you need to manage or clean up. Think of it like an email you've read and decided not to reply to. Still in your inbox, but no further steps necessary. Why does booking.com work this way? Messages are stored for records and history, which helps both guests and accommodation partners if questions come up later about check-in details, payment issues, or house rules. Keeping a verifiable timeline protects everyone involved, which is why deletion isn't supported, even for attachments. If you come across something inappropriate or suspicious, reporting is the only proactive option beyond ignoring the message. This is there to keep the community safe and ensure the platform can review behavior that doesn't meet its guidelines. Otherwise, the best approach is to leave the conversation alone. Here's some good news. Messages don't stick around in your active inbox forever. After your booking period ends, typically once your stay is over, those conversations will disappear from the main view and stop appearing front and center. They're essentially archived with the completed reservation, so they won't clutter your day-to-day view. A few closing tips to keep things simple. Be mindful about what you share in chat since it becomes part of the booking record. If you don't need to act on a message, it's perfectly fine to ignore it. And if something truly crosses a line, use the report option rather than trying to remove the content yourself. So, to recap in plain terms, you cannot delete or unsend messages on booking.com and attachments can't be removed. Your practical choices are to ignore the conversation or report it if needed. Over time, once the booking period ends, those messages will naturally move out of your active inbox.